how to set the tone at the start of the week. I have tried different formats, but for the last few years at Kalari Capital, we do 0-hour meetings. These start on Monday morning. The genesis started with the question, how do we start the week with intense learning? Everyone around us has something to share that's worth learning. I also really wanted to encourage everyone to speak more, not just learn about new things, but I also wanted the format to know each other better as a team. So every Monday morning, we start 9 a.m. The 0-hour is about an hour to hour and a half. A typical Monday, for example, we started with a fun quiz. Of course, it got everyone competing. I've shared some links for you in the comments to look at some of our fun activities we do in 0-hour. We also have a format of good to great, for example. Every person takes a company of their choice, studies and analyzes intensely, and they come back to present the summary of why this company was able to super succeed. What is it about the founders? What was it about the strategy? What was it about the technology or business model? So this succinct summary has a lot of learnings built into it. And over the year, we get to do about 30-40 of this. A typical 0-hour has one of these every week. We had, for example, one of our team members present his learnings and insights on AI agents. So there is a wide range of topics. I've shared with you here in the comments a few of the topics I presented in 0 hours. This format really helped me achieve the goal of inclusiveness, since everyone is present and everyone has to present something on a certain week when their turn comes, and they have to think and prepare. It's a great start for the week. Post this, we have breakfast served, pick up food, chat for a bit, and now we truly are ready for our week. The number of things that I have learned during our 0-hour is truly amazing. Starting the week with powerful practices sets the tone for the work outcome. I know Mondays get a bad rep. Who hasn't heard yet another joke about Monday morning? But I love our Monday. And just maybe having this strong ritual pushes us to help embrace our week and look forward to it and start with a sense of clarity and, more importantly, a shared purpose. I'd love to hear what are your organizational practices, rituals that you enjoy, that helps you learn, that improves your productivity. Let me know. I'd love to hear more about your learnings in building a great organization.